How to download Endnote for free in laptop. So if you want to download Endnote for free in laptop, then what you need to do is first you just need simply go with your browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, and I'm here with my Chrome browser. Now you need to go with search, and under search you need to search for endnote.com, or you can also search for Endnote, and here you will have www.endnote.com. So go with the website. Now after clicking there, you need to just scroll down and go with the download section. If you don't find the download section right here, then you can just simply go with the search again, and here you need to search for Endnote download, and here you need to go with endnote.com, which will take you to the downloads. And now you can scroll down a bit and you can select Endnote for iOS if you want to download from the App Store, or you can just simply go with the download Endnote, which is right here. Click on download, and here you need to select like if you're using for Windows or Mac, you can go with this one, or you can select Endnote X9 or 20 or 21. So I'll just simply go with Windows. So once you click on Windows, it will start the installing process. You can go with the downloads, which is on the top right, and from here you need to just click on it and then go with download unverified file, and it will start the downloading process. It might take a few minutes, and after downloading this file you can just simply double click on it and it will ask you if you want to install or not. You can just simply go with yes, install, and it will be installed. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.